Hey y'all, welcome back into another days in the life, y'all. So anyhow, y'all, I had get up. I started tackling up my kitchen, y'all. After I got done with these dishes, I'm wiping down. I headed over here to my dining room area. I had to clear that space out because it been looking hella crazy over there. So I'm showing y'all these little wife goals for myself because they motivate me and uplift me. This is me opening up my blinds in my dining room area. After that, I headed over here to my front room area. I know I can vacuum clean, y'all, but it's just something about sweeping. I don't know. I saw my mom do it all her life. I disinfected. Then I headed over here to my bathroom and I'm start wiping down, lights on. I will be changing the blinds soon. Well, my husband will be changing the blinds soon. Then I start getting in with my mop water. So I'm mopping all around the house. And then y'all later that evening, y'all, I had cooked corned beef, cabbage, and macaroni. So y'all, the next morning I woke up, I said, okay, now I smell spring in the air. This me at the post office about to open me up a new business, P.O. box. That's me with my soul food. So then I had got back into my exercises, y'all. But that's it, babes. Bye.